Hello and welcome back to Obscure Jewels, where I am your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today we'll be reading from Eyes and Nose, Fingers and Toes by Sesame Street Workshop. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. Clap your hands and make a sound. Wiggle your fingers all around. Bend and reach to touch your toes. Stand up straight, point to your nose. Open your mouth, big and wide. Where's your tongue? It hides inside. Count your eyes, 1 and 2. What color are they? Brown, green, or blue? Now we've said our silly rhyme. Let's play the game one more time. Point to your eyes, mouth, and nose. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. The end. And that was Eyes and Nose, Fingers and Toes by Sesame Street Workshop. Thank you all a million times over for tuning in. So, as always, until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you. Bye.